Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the stabilizer rating because matching voltage and wattage prevents damage. Once confirmed, power off the fridge and unplug it. Wait 5 to 10 minutes so internal capacitors discharge. Now place the stabilizer within 1 to 2 meters of the wall outlet on a dry, stable surface. Make sure the stabilizer switch is off. You should already have the stabilizer input cord and the fridge power cord accessible. Open the stabilizer cover if present and locate the input and output sockets. Next, connect the stabilizer input plug firmly into the wall outlet. A loose plug causes voltage drop. Once done, take the fridge power cord and insert it into the stabilizer output socket labeled load or output. Make sure it's fully seated. Turn the stabilizer on. Observe the indicator lights or built-in meter for correct output voltage. If the stabilizer offers delay/start or time delay features, enable them to protect the compressor. You should wait a minute and confirm stable voltage before proceeding to power. Finally, switch the fridge on only after the stabilizer shows a steady, correct output voltage. Listen for the compressor starting and normal operation. If the fridge hums, trips, or fails to start, immediately power everything off and recheck all connections and that the stabilizer rating is adequate for startup current. Make sure the stabilizer's delay timer is set correctly. One key troubleshooting tip: use a multimeter to test mains voltage if mains are unstable. Upgrade to a higher rated or automatic voltage regulator to protect the fridge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.